Hi guys, Jenica Joy here, and today I'm going to be trying a new treatment for fat loss. It targets specific areas, and I don't know exactly what it's going to be like, but I'm looking forward to trying it. Over here, these are the different types of suction cups that will be placed on my body. This one is for sides, this one is for thighs, and this one, thank God, I hope I don't need it, is the extra large. So I'm looking forward to trying this. Wish me luck. So I guess this is the part where they set up the table. This is the position I'm going to be in for the treatment. They're running around with some different things that I'm assuming they're going to apply. I don't know what's going to happen next. Unfortunately for me, it has a lot to hold on to, but hopefully by the end, there'll be less. It kind of feels just like pinching, and it's slowly getting colder. So we'll see if it gets colder and colder, if it stays the same. Right now, it doesn't feel bad.
So, how's it going?
So far so good. It's cold, but it doesn't hurt, which is good. It's kind of just like two people grabbing onto your love handles and getting them in good shape. So, I guess it stays like this for about 40 minutes, and then we'll see what happens.
What made you interested about this treatment?
I like that it has spot sort of targeted areas versus full body. I've heard about the treatments for cool sculpting where you get an entire machine, and that's like a lot more unbearable than this type of treatment. So I think for someone who has just kind of small areas they want to touch up on, this is a good option for them. They're very cold at this moment, but they've actually been on for so long. It's kind of numb at this point, so you don't feel it too much. I would say this whole thing has been about 40 minutes and we're at 35. And there was no point in this treatment where I felt uncomfortable or in pain, which is a plus. Yeah, so I'm assuming that as soon as this ends, these are just gonna fall off. Maybe not, but they don't feel as tight as when she first applied them, and I'm excited to see what happens.
How's it feel now it's off?
Still feels cold. It's a little sore. But I'm getting this lovely massage, so that helps. It's like a weight's been lifted off, figuratively and literally. This COOL4D by Cluederm procedure done, and it was very cold, but at no point was it uncomfortable or painful. And I have some red marks on my sides here, which I heard is pretty normal. So we're gonna go take some measurements and see how it turned out.